Let's play a game, guys. How about hide and seek? No, fetch. Come on, let's play fetch. Hey, you took my ball. Oh, okay, I'll just dance for you then. Yeah. So here's how to play. You have to get the ball and get it from me. Got it? One thing though, you have to catch me. Ha ha ha. Okay, let's find a good spot. Pee break. Oh, what's this over here? Oh, guys, I'm gonna hide, okay? Okay, I gotta go high. Guys, look what she's doing. She got the ball. OMG, she got the ball. I'm gonna get the ball. Oh, I'm about to get. Yeah, I got it. Wait a minute, Hazel. What is it, Bam? I forgot. We need to go find Queenie. Oh yeah, you're right. I'm gonna check in my favorite spots. Where could she be? Hazel, do you know? 'Cause I sure don't. No, I don't, Bam Bam. Let's look somewhere. Ha ha ha, they're never going to find me. Maybe she's under the slide. Weird. Well, I found my ball. Yeah, I don't know, Hazel. It's pretty much impossible to find me because I'm a master at this game. Do you see her? No, I'm going to sniff her out. My smell's not working too much. It's making me go at the same place. Maybe we just need to play fetch. Hey, that's my ball, Hazel. Hey, are you gonna blow my cover? Don't you blow my cover. Don't you do it. What are you doing? Don't you take a step closer. I'm telling you. Don't you do it. OMG. Why you do this stuff to me? Hey, Bam Bam, I think I found Queenie. Well, guess what? I'm over it. Ha ha ha. I am such a master. Now you guys hide, and I'll find you. No, I'm not going to do that. Bye.